Let me cover the naming conventions for methods. Methods should be verbs in mixed case with the first letter lowercase and with the first letter of each internal word capitalized. So here, run, run, and then fast. But have a look. This F in here has to be uppercase. The same with get and then background. So get starts with lowercase, and the second word, the first letter is with uppercase. Let's open up IntelliJ, and here, have a look. So I did this before, but I didn't mention, but have a look. Print, and then brand, for example, right? So if you have multiple words, this is how you're meant to name your methods. Now, let's have one method that takes any age and then tells us whether the age is an adult or not. So here, let's have a private and then static. Here, I want to basically just print. So I'm going to say void, and then I'm going to say is, and then adult. Let's take the age, so int age, and now have a look, because this right here deals with a Boolean. So I'm going to say is and then adult. So anytime that you are basically performing something upon a Boolean, then you should always start with the question, is adult or has enough money, right? So here I'm going to say if, and then age is greater than 17, or let's just say greater or equal to 16, this is an adult. So I'm going to say south and then adult, else I'm going to say the same thing, but instead this will be not adult, for example. There we go, and then put a side face. And instead, let's just use emojis. So I'm going to put a side face there, and here the same, an happy face in here. There we go. So now if I want to run this program, I'm just going to invoke here is adult. I'm going to pass 16. I'm also going to pass 15. So if I run this, have a look. So for the first one is adult is 16 in here. So it's happy face. The second one, 15, not an adult. So you can see how this is coming together. Now, this is pretty much the naming convention that you should be using. And again, throughout this course, you'll see that we'll have a bunch of methods and you'll get used to these pretty quickly. Now, just bear in mind that the naming convention for methods is different from classes. So classes, for example here, public class, it should start with uppercase, but I'll cover this later. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.